All right, I had a request to do number 13 on section 1.5 in the homework. So it looks something like this. Which ordered pair is in the inverse of the relation given by this equation? X squared plus y plus 3y equals 35. Well, remember, if these points are in the inverse, that means our x and our y switch. So here, if this was in our inverse, that means this would be our x and this would be our y in our original. So all you have to do is plug them in and see if they work. So for this one, what you would do is say, okay, I'm going to do 5 squared times -2 plus 3 times -2. And again, the reason you switch these would be a point that exists in the inverse, and in the inverse we switch them. So this was our original equation. We don't even have to find the inverse, we just have to see if those points would work. So when you plug those in, you would get -56. And that's not 35, so A does not work. Again, you do the same thing. Well, in my inverse, this is my x and this is y. So in my original, they'd be switched. This would be my y, this would be my x. So I'm going to plug those in. I'd get 2 squared times -5 plus 3 times -5. Well, that's actually equal to -35, which is not 35. So B does not work. C, again, since this is my original, but I want to know if this point works in its inverse. Well, my inverse, this is my x, this is my y. So in the original, this would have been my y, this would have been my x. So I'm going to plug it in. I get 5 squared times -2 plus 3 times -2. Oops. When you do that, oh, I screwed that up. I'm sorry. You'd actually, this is your x, so you'd plug in -2 squared times 5 plus 3 times 5. And that is actually equal to 35. So C works, and C is your answer.